I have Wantable's Sweater Weather Edit. So if you want to see what kinds of sweaters they sent me and what else they might have sent, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. You might see him in and out of the frame, and Chloe's just hanging out after school. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the Wantable Sweater Weather Edit. And so it does come with a little detailing of all of your items. It looks like they did send me at least 2 items that were on sale. And I always ask, like, I would like some pocket-friendly options. And Ronisha is my stylist. I've had her before. Here is the bag that you're going to send anything back that you don't keep. Now, if you do keep 5 or more, you get 20% off. And otherwise, it's just however much that you paid. There is a $20 styling fee. You do get that off of whatever you purchase. And if you purchase nothing, you are out that styling fee. So I usually try to find one thing, although I'm usually quite successful. I find several things that I like, and then I try to pare it down to kind of the bare minimums. All right, now if you have never tried Wantable before, I do have a code down below in my referral link that will get you $25 off of your first Wantable edit. They do have style edits, activewear edits, and sleepwear edits, and they do have a men's edit, no children's edits though. All right, so here is my little packet. Let's see what we have. By 78 and Sunny, we do have this green, kind of, not really a sweatshirt, but a kind of a cotton blend top. It's got some ribbing on the side. It's nice and soft, as all 78 and Sunny is. By Dex, we have this pretty blue sweater. It kind of has like some fade to it, and it does have some open weaves, so you definitely need something underneath of that. By Democracy, we have a pair of, it looks like skinny jeans in a dark wash. From Molly Bracken, there is this kind of like eyelash type sweater. It's very soft and fuzzy, great print. Molly Bracken is kind of a pricier brand though. Love the colors. From 78 and Sunny is this pink hooded cardigan. Now this is more of a kind of, again, one of those cotton blend, not really sweatery, more sweatshirty type without the kind of terry cloth inside. Very soft, very cozy. From Muck Lux, we have a lined hat, so it's all fuzzy lined in there. By Mika or Mika Denim, we have some wide leg jeans, and these are cute. They've got some like pockets here. Now this is a high rise, and it doesn't say petite, so I'm not sure how well those will work. All right, I'm going to get you trying those on and making some tough decisions, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back with that first sweater and those jeans. So the length on the jeans is pretty good, and the sweater, I really like the sweater. See the pockets. All right, really cute sweater, like that. And this is the long sleeve textured washed pullover in washed, and it is on sale for $56.25, regularly $78, and it is by Dex, and it was one of my requested items because I really liked that, and I still do. And then the jeans are the Absolution High Rise Skinny Jeans in dark indigo artisanal. And these are on sale for $63. Regularly, it's like 81 maybe? Okay, the sweater was regularly 75 and the jeans were regularly 84. I like the jeans. I don't know that I need the jeans though. So, kind of interested in the other ones that are not on sale because these are the only two sale items in the box, but super cute. All right, let's try on something else. All right, I'm back with that 78 and Sunny sweater. I'm not really a fan of it. I don't think it really does much for me. And I mean, it's a nice color, it's soft and comfortable, but otherwise I don't think it's the greatest look on. And this is the Shoreline Hassie Crew in Heathered Olive, $69. Definitely going back. All right, I'm going to change the other pants and a couple more sweaters and we'll see how they look. All right, I'm back with that sweater and I thought I would really like it, but looking at it at least through here, I don't know. I'm not thinking that it's doing much for me. The jeans, I absolutely love though. Now, the sweater is the ombre knit sweater in pink, Molly Bracken, $89, kind of pricey. And the pants are the high-rise cargo wide leg jean in Maya Blue and by Micah Denim, and those are $84. But I really do like these. And this might be the one keeper. All right, I have one more top to try on. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the last sweater. Really cute, love the color, and it does have that hood. I'm not sure why you would ever wear a hood on a sweater, but I guess if it was cold and you didn't have a hood on your coat, maybe, I'm not sure, but super cute. And here's that hat. Goes cute with this. The sweater is the Laguna hooded cardigan in Heathered Sangria, $69. This is 78 and Sunny. And the hat is the color block stripe cabin beanie in oatmeal, $30, and it's mukluks. All right, so what do I keep? What do I send back? I'm not sure. I love the jeans. I think the jeans I'm going to keep. I like this. Maybe I'll just keep these two things. I do like the hat, but I don't know that I need it. So, got a lot of hats. All right, well, let me know your thoughts down below. And thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.